Food budgeting. Planning your meal for the week means that you will be able to cost out how much each meal will cost you. If you know what you will be cooking each day, you won. It have to be worry about what you are making for the family meal each day. Planning your food budget is one of the most important thing you can do to save money. Introduction. A family budget is a predetermined amount of money that's set aside and spent for certain categories of living expenses. Food budget depends on your nutritional needs based on how quickly your body metabolizes and the kind of diet you want. Feed your family with less amount without sacrificing freshness, quality or nutrition by saving money. Now, let us understand the ways to cut food cost. Food, clothing, shelter are generally top list of basic human needs. Rising world food prices can lead to some significant challenges when comes to cutting food cost. Eating at home is one of the most effective way to cut cost from your monthly bills. Compare the unit prices. The unit price tracker is on the shelf below the product. Using this, you can compare the prices of different brands. Purchase food items in bulk, example spices. Rather than wasting money on unnecessary vitamin or mineral supplement, shop at regular shops to stretch food dollars. Many stores have senior discount days. Now, let us discuss the easy way to stick to a food budget. First, plan your menu. Menu planning does not have to be complicated. Planning means ahead requires a small investment of time but can reap great rewards. If you know what you will be cooking each day, you won't have to worry about what you are making for the family meal each day. Menu plan is to be for a save time and improve nutrition. Second, write a list. Planning your meal is a great start, but the next step is to transfer everything you need to make the meal and snacks onto a shopping list. The list will help you to stick to what you actually need and not to buy any unnecessary items when you are going round the stores. Don't generalize. When making out your list, it is important to be specific about what you need to buy. Ensure you write down the fruits and vegetables you want to buy. Allocate a shopping day. If you have a designated day for a grocery shopping, it is much easier to keep to a budget and you are more likely to buy everything you need. Look for a whole foods. If you stick to whole foods such as meats, vegetables, fruits and grain, you make your own meal and you will not only cut down on preservation and chemicals but you will save money as well. Cooking on a budget. The average adult purchases a meal or snack from a restaurant 5.8 times per week. Why? Because of time, convenience and certain food. Time factor. Prepare ahead of time. Freezer meals, pack to go meals, purchase snacks and bag yourself. Start small, that is eat one or two less meal per week at restaurant to save money and a whole day's worth of calories. Make the most out of the box meal. Decrease fat. Use half cheese, rice, stuffing potatoes, hamburgers, help to drain and rinse meat, brownies, substitute unsweetened apple sauce for vegetable oil. Decrease sodium, use for the half the seasoning packet, add vegetables, add canned fruits to yogurt and pudding. Why is food budgeting important? Food budget means a right way to spend money on food. Food budgeting is the act of combining your income and expenses so that you can decide how much money you are going to spend on one item, how much on another, and so on before you actually spend the money. It won't be too difficult to create a budget, but it will be very difficult to stick with one. It can be a great alternative to worrying about how you are going to pay for your expenses and the feeling of guilt that goes along with spending money. You don't have to pull yourself out your credit card to purchase something. Advantages of food budgeting. Balanced diet for all the members of the family. A healthy diet is one that helps to maintain or improve overall health. A balanced diet is one that gives your body the nutrition it needs to function properly In order to get truly balanced nutrition, you should obtain the majority of your daily calories from fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and proteins, saving of time, money, and energy. A housewife can save time, money, and energy by food budgeting. Control on food budget. Food budget is one of the most flexible area in your overall financial strategy. While planning for a week, the housewife can add costly foodstuff like cheese, dry fruits, etc. on one day and cheap seasonal fruits and vegetables on the rest of the days. In this way, the total expenditure of the week will be in accordance with the budget. Thank you.